Yo, what's up, may Nirvana? MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira, men. Kilala nyo na walang iba. Kundi ako lang yun. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, men, click mo na yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli. Para at least, men, updated ka sa mga ilalabas nating mga reaction video. At tulad nito, men, ito. Bago nating subscriber. Salamat kay RLD. So, nag-comment siya, men, do sa previous na uploads natin. So, pinapaspatan sa atin to, men. Ang title nito, Are You Down by Unexpected? At kilala na natin, men, or yung Unexpected na grupo, men. Malulupit din sila, men. Sana spatan nyo rin sila, men. At ito, men, spatan na natin to. Baka tirahin pa ng iba.
Production.
Yeah.
The only thing I need now, yeah, baby, your body. So baby, please.
So parang nasabi ko na yata yan sa mga ibang reaction video natin sa Unexpected. Malupit din sila, men. Tapos yung bitaw din nila, men, mala almost music. Hindi ko alam, men, kung magtutropa sila, pero, men, parehong malupit, men. Vibes yung mga nila, mga nire-release nila.
I need, yeah, right now with a honey, baby, are you down, down, down? Ooh, yes, baby, can you go down, down, down? Ooh, sa unang tingin ba lang, sa maganda karamdam ng gigit, tila ba nag-iinit, buti na.
Kamukha to ni men, ni John Paul. Yung tropa ni Malupito, no?
Nakakapagpigil, I like your body, buti ang puso. Teki sa'kin mamaya kaya mag-ready. At nang nilapitan agad hinawakan. Kung may nagmamayari man pasensya, nag-twerk na sa harapan. Ay nako, dapat labas mo yan sa kama. No need na tanungin pa. Pag inila ko to palabas, alam na isa lang naman ang gusto ko sa'yo.
Ano daw?
Yun na yung makaisa. The only thing I need now.
Isa lang naman ang gusto ko sa'yo, men. Yun lang ay makaisa. Mapas lang ng isang beses.
Yeah, baby, your body. So baby, please, I need ya. Right now with a honey, baby, are you down, down,
Down, down, down, down.
Baby, can you go down, down, down?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh baby, are you down to me? Kahit anong trip, laging lit, yeah you feel me. Straight up, lumilibot lang sa city. Kasama aking main chick, chilling like a villain.
Okay, price tag.
Nating madaliin, just vibe. Ayokong umuwi kasing bitin. Kaya dapat ilabas mo kung saan ka magaling. Show
Okay.
me that thing, ngayong gabi patindihin. Wow, umiinit na ang mga titig. Handa bang ibigay ang mga hilig. Kalma ka lang, matagal ako sumisid. Hanggang maabot ko na ang tunay na pag-ibig.
Okay.
Diyan ka lang dahil di pa
Climax.
tapos. Mahaba pa ang oras ng ating pagtutuos. Pasok lahat na tira, di papayag na kapos. Sisigaw ka magdamag hanggang ikay mamaos.
The only thing I need now. Yeah, baby, your body. So baby, please, I need ya. Right now with a honey, baby, are you down, down, down? Ooh, yes, baby, can you go down, down, down? Ooh, baby girl, I want your body. Pwede mo makuha ka tonight and be my lady. It feels good at the party, sumama ka na and let's do it something crazy. Ikaw na gusto kong makatabi, hinihintay kita kaya hindi ako mapakali. Yeah, pero hindi to nagmamadali, hindi lilipas ang gabi, hindi kita mahuwi. Hey baby, are you down? Just take it easy, galingan mo lang sa top and ground. Shake, shake your booty up and down. Nagkasabihin mo na lang, please baby, want me around. Yeah, you remind me of something, baby girl, alam ko na hindi mo matiis. Let me feel your body and I know you're down for this. The only thing I need now, yeah, baby, your body. So baby, please, I need ya. Right now with a honey, baby, are you down, down, down? Ooh, yes, baby, can you go down, down, down? Ooh,
Pull up on my bullet dogs, walking to the club. Got my pocket full of cheese, the so I can bust some love.
Okay.
That's why you dancing, twerking with the dash. I wanna grow, wanna give you all my thoughts. So I started with what's up. Feel the fire with that look in your eye. Don't even need to ask if you good, cause girl is so fine. How about I give some drinks? Just tell me what you like. Then we can roll into the city. Are you down for a ride? Pull over to the side. Skirt. Our convos make me
Yun no, may pagkaano rin siya men, no? XBOC Dogs, skirt, yung mga ganun eh, no? Parang OG sa mga ganun si Skasta eh.
think so hard. I wanna go deeper. My palms against your mouth. Expecting you're a good screamer. I'll give a fuck you. We can fuck us in my cold creamer. Hey, you're my main chick. You're my main bitch. You always amaze me for falling in the same trick. Fuck candies. I love to lick your pink needs. You're the pinna that I'm riding on the king
Alam
stick.
ko kung anong pinunta mo dito.
Okay?
Kitang-kita sa'yo. Kahit ano bang gawin ay di mo rin maitarang gito. If you wanna try to play a game, ibulong mo muna sa'kin what your name is. I know that you heard my name. Wala na ako dapat i-explain. Saying, kaya kahit ba ipilit na ipilit.
Lupit din talaga min ng mga beats ni Ednil Beats men. Sobrang laking shout out kay Ednil Beats men. Siya yung gumawa nito, nakita ko men. Sobrang daming artist men na dun sa channel niya men na nakita ko men, talagang mga sikat na rin yung karamihan men. Solid Ednil Beats.
Kunwari di ka nag-iinit. Gabi ang gigil, huminin. I know you came to be my angel. Passenger sa akin na dahil sweat. Sakta habang wala siya. Umiimik. Sabi nila masarap ang pag.
The only thing I need now, yeah, baby, your body. So, baby, please, I need ya. Right now, with a honey, baby, are you down?
Down.
Ooh, yes, baby, can you go down, down, down? Ooh, I don't know your name, but you heard my name. I know why you came, tryna get the name, but you heard my name. Girl, you know wanna be my main chick, my main chick. I said, fuck whoever you came with, who you came with. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. Men, solid yon at shoutout dito sa bago nating tropa men. At kung nakaabot ka men sa puntong ito na hindi pa nakasubscribe, click mo na yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least may updated ka sa mga ilalabas nating mga reaction video. Ingat palagi. Good vibes. Subscribes. Peace.